Good morning, students. So, today I'm going to tell you how to do page number 34 of Fun with Canvas book, which is the topic painting. You have to use ice cream stick or spoon's backside, or you can use painting knife, which is like this. If you don't have painting knife, it's totally fine. You can use ice cream stick instead of that or spoon. Okay, so first of all, we are going to take poster colors for that. If you don't have poster colors, you can take any other colors also, like acrylic ones. That will be nice to use. You have to take a little amount of water and a thin brush. So first of all, we are going to open our bottles. For sky, you will be needing white color, blue, dark blue or sky blue, black. First of all, we will apply white color in all the background, and after that, when it gets dry, you can use black and white color and mix them. It will give you gray color and you can create clouds with that. This is the part of sky. So take your ice cream stick, dip it in the white color like this. If it's not thin, you can make it thin by mixing water and apply it like this. This is the procedure to cover the whole sky with white color. You have to cover the whole sky with white color like this. I'm mixing much amount of water in it so that it gets thin because it's dry right now. Once it gets thin, you can take it and apply it like this. Once you are done with white color, you can dip your ice cream stick in blue color like this and apply blue color, mixing it with white color. You have to mix it on the sheet with this ice cream stick only. You have to create little patches on it so that it gives proper texture. Like this, you need to complete your sky, and after that, see, I'm taking black color to make clouds. You can mix some white color also in it to give it a gray texture. While using black color, try to give it a cloud shape like this. After that, wash your ice cream stick and take orange color in it and apply in the middle part like this. It's okay if it goes out of the lines, little bit, that will be fine because this is ice cream stick, not brush. You can apply your orange color like this to cover this lane. Now I'm going to take yellow color. I'm giving it some water so that it gets thin, and after that you can use brush also to just put some color, and then you can spread it with ice cream stick like this. Now spread it by mixing it with orange a little bit in between like this. If you don't have ice cream stick, you can use spoon's backside, or you can use knife, or you can use painting knife, which I have shown you earlier. Like this, you can mix orange and yellow a bit in between. So this is done. After that, you have to take blue color, shades of blue, to cover this part. You can use cotton to remove all the color from your ice cream stick as well if you don't want to wash it. Take blue color and put some patches like that. You have to take much amount of blue color. I have used my brush to put some patches. And now with the help of ice cream stick, I'm going to spread it. You have to make some texture of water in it, so make little bit of lines in it. If you don't want to use ice cream stick, I have said that you can use painting knife as well, because this is knife painting only. Like this, you need to create patches. Make sure you don't come out of the lines. Now I'll let you know that how you have to use other things instead of ice cream sticks. I'm using spatula. You have to hold it like this, and you have to spread the color with its base. See, like this. This is the easiest method, easiest and finest. Now you can use some white color as well to create some lines in the water, and use again the knife to spread the color. Make some lines in it. Now you have to use yellow color and orange color again to cover the down part. Again we are doing it with spatula and brush, putting some color already, and then afterwards I'm going to spread it. You have to first of all put yellow color, and you have to see, now I'm doing it with spoons so that you can see that how you have to use spoon as well. Spoon's backside will be used like this. So first of all I have done with yellow color, and now I'm going to spread orange color, and then we are going to mix orange and yellow a little bit in between. So like this you can spread orange color. Make sure you don't come out of the page. You can create any kind of texture if you want in it. So now with the help of brush you can create here boats which are given in the page number 34, or if you want you can make it with the painting knife as well. It's optional, whatever you feel like you can do it. So like this you need to complete your knife painting, and you have to send me pictures. Okay, take care, bye bye.